Okay, what's up everyone? So it's post-workout time. I'm bloody hungry. But yeah, let's get going. Yeah, excuse the hair. This is post-shower. It's kind of hot. It kind of looks like a messed up coconut hairstyle right now. Okay, so I'm going to be making the best breakfast you could possibly have to build muscle to keep you full. And these are the ingredients we're going to use. It looks like a hefty lot right there now, but it's not that much. It's okay. This is calorie efficient. It's delicious. Okay, first and foremost, get a bowl. We're making oatmeal or porridge, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, everyone comes up with a different name these days. But that's what we're making, so you're going to need a bowl. Pretty self-explanatory. Okay, and what I use gluten-free oats. These are Insta oats. They're just powdery, so they're not the rolled ones. I prefer them. You don't have to use gluten-free if you don't want to, but every little helps. They say gluten kills you now, so I don't want to die. Also, I just noticed that if you're eating gluten-free oats, they just digest better. What you're going to do, you're going to add 2 scoops. 2 scoops equals out to about 60 to 70 grams, depending if you do a heap scoop, if you get a bit greedy. And that equals about 220 calories, just over. 30-ish grams of carbs, can't go wrong. I just want to show you, if I can, let's try and aim the bowl, or aim the camera, whatever. As you see, it doesn't look like there's a lot in the bowl. We're going to microwave this, and it's going to expand. Right, the top's had to come off, because it's bloody hot in here. It's summertime in England, and although summertime in England can change day to day, it's a hot one today, and this house is like built for the winter, it's not built for summer. But back to the thing I was saying about oats, about it being, doesn't look like there's a lot in the bowl. A lot of people can over pour their oats so much, and there's quite a lot of calories in oats. So just weigh them, weigh to see how much you're actually having. I didn't realise it, but back in my, not even chunky boy days, I was still good, or whatever. But back in the day, a few years back, I used to have a, what do you call it, massive, huge bowl, and I'd pour it with oats thinking I'm healthy. When I weighed down, worked out all the calories, I was having 1,400 calories. That was with added nuts and whatnot, but still, that was a hefty breakfast, and no wonder I couldn't get shredded there. Okay, next thing you're gonna add is cacao powder. And I know this is sort of like selfie cam, so everything's gonna look nice in the mirror, so yeah. So we're gonna add 2 scoops of cacao powder. I like 2 scoops. Cacao powder will keep you full. It's so filling and satiating. And it makes it nice and chocolatey, and there's so many benefits of cacao powder. Plenty of iron for you girls. You all need iron, girls. A lot of you are so deficient in that without realising it. So another benefit of cacao powder, it inhibits myostatin. Nothing major, but myostatin will prevent you from building you have a limit on the amount of muscle you can build. Cacao powder inhibits that. If you've ever seen them Jersey bull cows, I'll put a picture of them up here. They look like they're on roids because they don't have inhibitor. Their muscles just keep growing. Cacao can prevent that. Pretty good after a workout, eh? And it's high in fibre, good antioxidants. It's all round goodness. Okay, next ingredient, you're gonna add 2 scoops of whey protein. 2 scoops? That's a bit excessive. No, it's really not. I like it. It bulks out the porridge bowl already. So let me add the 2nd scoop and I'll show you. So as you can see, this bowl is already becoming a bit more hefty. It's getting there. It's filling up. It's better to get more calories from protein than it is carbohydrates, especially if you're on a cut. The reason for that is because you have thermogenesis. You don't take in as many calories from protein, and there's multiple studies showing that when people increase their protein intake massively, their calories from protein, they don't end up gaining fat, they actually end up gaining muscle. Now the reason I do 2 scoops is because there's a doctor called Gabrielle Lyon, or Leon, however you pronounce her name, I'll put it right there. She talks about that you need a lot of protein your first meal. It's more than you would think, especially if you're over 30, 35. You need about 50 grams of protein per meal to stimulate protein synthesis. If you have exercise, it may not be as necessary, but I like it. It makes it more chocolatey. I'm using a chocolate stevia flavor right here from my protein. Use whatever flavor you want, but I like chocolate. I'm a chocoholic. Okay, the next ingredient is organic Ceylon cinnamon. The reason you want to use cinnamon anyway is because it helps your blood fasting sugar levels. It also helps the insulin spike. It doesn't, you know, spike as quickly and whatnot. It will drag it out more. It's just all around good for you. And the reason you want to use Ceylon cinnamon, I use 1 teaspoon of this. I'm not really a big cinnamon fan, but I still use it for the health benefits. The reason you want to use Ceylon cinnamon is because that's true cinnamon. Cinnamon they get from a shop can lead to like poisoning. It's not good for you. You need Ceylon. It's not going to kill you instantly, but you know, every little. So as you can see, I add about a teaspoon. Do you know what? My hair is actually terrible today. What the hell did that barber do? I'm just joking. Yeah, he was actually a fantastic barber. It's not his fault I don't take care of the hair. Okay, next ingredient. What is this? Cayenne chili pepper. Yeah, cayenne chili pepper. The reason you use cayenne pepper is because it stimulates metabolism, also gets the nutrients into your blood faster. The reason you want that post-workout is because you want to recover as soon as. You don't have to eat exactly after exercise, but when you do eat, you want them nutrients going. I'm like a little bitch when it comes to spice. I can't handle spice, so if I can put it in my porridge, then you can do it too. Okay, another ingredient, Himalayan pink salt. What I do, I add a pinch of this. It's quite a big pinch, even though I've got small fingers. So I'm going to try and show without spilling any. You can't really see, I've got to put it in the bowl. Anyway, you add a pinch of that. There's so many studies coming out now that you should add salt to every meal. It helps your blood pressure and whatnot. I used to never add salt to any meal whatsoever, and I had a blood pressure of 169 over 140, I think it was. I was vegan at the time as well, so that could have been something to do with that. But anyway, that's another story for another time. Add salt to every meal. There's a bodybuilder called Stan Efren. He talks about this majorly. Just add it, trust me. I've noticed great benefits. You recover quick and you hydrate. You need to hydrate. I've done my sprint workout this morning. It's summertime. Just add salt. It's okay. Obviously add the good salt. Don't be adding like McDonald's salt. I don't know what salt they use, but you know. Alright, just now for the secret ingredient that you've all been waiting for. Why do I add these? You're going to add 2 eggs to this. We're going to microwave it after. If you add 2 eggs to it, the reason I add 2 eggs is because it fluffs it up, for one. Secondly, eggs are a really great source of the amino acid leucine. Leucine is one of the best amino acids you can have for building muscle. And fun fact, protein from an egg is probably the most bioavailable source of protein you can have. You may think no whey protein or meat. It's not. It's eggs. And also, last but not least, these keep you full. I had 2 eggs to this. Do you think this is only 30 grams of carbs? Most of it's coming from protein and you got the fat from the eggs. But this keeps you full for so long. I am literally full. I can eat this. I like to normally eat about 10 or 12, depending on what I'm doing in the day. But I can literally go until about 5 PM after I eat this. That's great for me. I used to be that kid that when I went shopping with people, it'd hit about 2 or 3 PM and I would be ravenous. I was so hungry. I was like, we need to eat right now. I was like the worst person to be shopping with. So yeah, that's why I like having a bigger breakfast. I just feel like breaking your fast should be the best meal of the day. And your body's more suited for digesting fats earlier in the day than it is later in the day. Fun fact. A bigger breakfast for me, it just keeps me more full and satiated. If I have a little like diddy-widdy breakfast that some people have, I'll then be thinking about when's the next meal. I get hungry, I get anky, I get craggy, I get like a little bitch. You don't want that. So anyway, I'm going to crack the 2 eggs. I won't film it because, come on, cracking 2 eggs. We know that. So as you can see, oh no, it went everywhere. Okay, so I just spilled my 2 eggs, as you can see. They're now all over the counter. I've now got to clear that up because I may give everyone salmonella. But yeah, 2 eggs in the porridge, mix it up, add your water, mix it up until you get a nice consistency. Okay, and as you can see, I've mixed it. I've added some blueberries as well, because I like blueberries. You can add a banana if you want, but I find banana always makes me hungry. So, next you're gonna do, that's not mine by the way, you're gonna add it to the microwave. This microwave's powerful AF. But, do it for about a minute to begin with. Take it out, stir it around, and then do it for another 30 seconds, take out, stir it around, do it for another 30 seconds, take out, stir it around until you get this stodgy consistency. I'll show you. Okay, and as you can see, that is now like a cake. The reason I like it stodgy, this takes longer to digest. I like it, keeps me full. I like to pretend I'm eating cake, because I'm not. I'm trying to be healthy. Now you could eat this just like this, but I like to add the final ingredient. I've got 100% peanut butter. Don't have to add that, but I just find the more fats I add, the longer I'm fueled. I don't like eating too often. I'm more of one of them people that likes to have something big now, keep me sustained. So let's just do this now. So I say this is a teaspoon right now, but I've seen people with tablespoons. They shovel peanut butter like they're digging for gold. I would say just use a teaspoon, about that much. That's what I would classify as a tablespoon. Peanut butter is lethal in calories, so just be careful with it, okay? So as you can see, it's not a whole lot, but hey ho. This is my next favourite thing I like to use. Don't have to use it. This is Sweet Freedom Choc Shot Coffee. This is absolutely delicious. You can get it from Aldi. Only 13 calories a teaspoon. Don't mind if I do. And just squish it on top. Make sure you get that noise, otherwise it's not complete. And as you can see there, it's like a chocolate peanut buttery blueberry cake thingy. Delicious. And there you have it. One beautiful breakfast. I would hold it in my hand like this and do like a nice little picture like yay, but it's really hot at the moment, it's burning my hands, so I'm not going to do that. But it's not that high in carbohydrates. It's a good post-workout meal, so high in protein. And like I said, this keeps me satiated for ages. I feel like that's what breakfast should do. I don't like it when people have like, I don't know, Rice Krispies, which are just air, and they're like, yeah, that'll keep me full until lunchtime. They have lunch at 2. It's like, How have you gone 6 hours and just air? That's not possible. So I prefer this. You should enjoy your meals. They don't have to be bland, okay? You don't have to be hungry to lose weight or anything. Just have things that fill you up, have things that work for you. This works for me. And yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I'll be uploading more videos of different foods I eat and how I can maintain my leanness. I'm not the biggest guy, but hey ho, we're getting there. Thanks for watching. Please comment, please like, and yeah, share your ideas on what you make for breakfast and whatnot. I'm always interested in knowing what other people do, because I feel like my imagination is a bit limited sometimes when it comes to this stuff. I just try and do everything chocolatey. So thanks for watching, enjoy your breakfast and have a great day.